Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. At least now, we don't come your screen with breaking news. We don't come back again with another legit intel on the things and things that they go on for inside this our green country, maybe Nigeria. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, on Friday will be the 24th day of January for this year, 2025. The Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party, they come dey exchange words. Take us say the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal then relocate from Edo State Benin City to the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Abuja. And the tribunal inform the parties where they involved of the relocation for someone notice we carry the date 24th of January 2025. And the relocation notice was signed by the tribunal their secretary will be Muazu Ibrahim. And according to how the entire writes for inside the notice, my good people, they say they are directed to notify all parties. Say the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal where they sit for inside Benin City, Edo State, they don't relocate to Abuja for the National Judicial Institute NJI Airport Road, Abuja, effective from Monday 27th January 2025. Now the main reason for the relocation never dey clear. The tribunal said they don't even give reason at all as to why they relocate, but it may be connected with the disturbances wey don dey occur since for court premises in the past. Based on say Jaguda men don too dey disturb the tribunal anytime dem hold section, and why the gas move am. But reacting to the relocation, the Edo State Publicity Secretary of the All Progressive Congress come dey accuse the People's Democratic Party of orchestrating the relocation. The APC now dey yarn say na the PDP now be the mastermind, na then cause am wey we say they can relocate the tribunal go Abuja. According to how talk take come aside from Mr. Peter Mount, wey be the Edo State Publicity Secretary of the All Progressive Congress, he said the relocation was due to pressure from the camp of the People's Democratic Party. He said first of all, they claim say their witness dey feel free in the environment to come and give evidence. Say they are not feeling safe, you understand? But they know very well say that na far cry from the truth because their witnesses get access to the court. And principally, they don't discover to their serious surprise, say the witnesses where the People's Democratic Party they so much relied on have been reduced to mere nothingness for inside court. At that na say the witnesses never add better value to the PDP their case with the pieces of evidence where they carry come. And then will be the All Progressive Congress, they also feel say the media attention with the People's Democratic Party, their fumbling witnesses they get, they do this their case any good at all. And they don't also they insist, say they want to go to an environment where interest and publicity could they reduced somehow. And now we last the tribunal don't relocate to Abuja. Not be everybody now go want to go to Abuja for this case. But then will be the All Progressive Congress, they are not bothered by the relocation at all. And that time because they get a compact case and then get a legal team where they vast in handling election matters. So they are not disturbed and nothing fit disturb them. Last they go meet with the People's Democratic Party headlong, and their legal team is very much ready to meet them headlong for inside the tribunal. So this, my good people, now few of the many details where the Edo State Publicity Secretary of the All Progressive Congress yarn about the Edo State Governorship Petition Tribunal will move from Benin City to Abuja. And reacting to what the All Progressive Congress they yarn about the matter, in response, the Publicity Secretary of the Edo State People's Democratic Party Caretaker Committee come dey yarn say if it be said na the concrete evidence wey in party present wey don dey make chieftains from the All Progressive Congress they get undue pressure, maybe na why the tribunal can last relocate from Edo State Benin City to the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Abuja. According to how Oga Chris will be the Publicity Secretary of the Edo State People's Democratic Party Caretaker Committee Tejana, he said given the nature of the case and the volume of the concrete evidence where the witnesses they don't present, and the tribunal self can't even check them, and then on the record say it will be very much unsafe to continue the proceedings for inside Benin City following undue pressure and severe threats by notable chieftains of the All Progressive Congress for inside Edo State to disrupt the tribunal proceedings. And then believe very well say A neutral and more secure location wey no dey under the control of the state and non-state actors go dey very much necessary in the interest of justice. So that, my good people, na the banter wey dey happen between the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party. And like this now, my good people, both parties dey show energy, both parties dey show readiness for the tribunal. And the tribunal in question go resume their sitting for inside Abuja on Tuesday, maybe the 28th day of January for this year, 2025. Now, anyhow the team play out, be rest assured, say Anointed Lady TV go make sure say the informate reach the general public. Meanwhile, me still get another legit intel within my table like this one need share give the general public. And the koko be say, members of the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, they don't reject the appointment of Dr. J.Y. Musa as the legal representative of the party for the Appeal and Supreme Court them. No be small matter like this, so my good people. No say about 11 out of 17 members of the party executives, they made known their rejection for inside petition. And for inside this petition, so we carry the date 21st January 2025. And it is very much acknowledged by the registries of the Appeal and Supreme Court. The National Working Committee members wey no dey in support come dey ask the court them to disregard Dr. Musa's appointment. They come dey argue say the appointment was very much unauthorized and it dey violate the constitution of the People's Democratic Party. According to them, Article 42 of the party's constitution they give only the national legal advisor the authority to appoint external legal counsel and not the national chairman get that authority. And the members of the National Working Committee say they believe say sake of say Dr. Musa na a close ally of Minister Nyesom Wike, the appointment wey dem give am so is very much inappropriate and it dey compromise the integrity of the party. Now, based on information we gather, my good people, we dey find out say this disagreement now is very much tied to the ongoing legal battle wey dey involve Senator Samuel Anyanwu, wey be say a competent court we don remove him as the PDP National Secretary. Even one high court today for inside Enugu sef, we don still sack Oga Anyanwu, and this decision was later upheld by the Court of Appeal on the 20th day of December for the year 2024. So based on the decisions now, sake of say Oga Anyanwu dey refuse to relinquish the position, he can carry the matter go Supreme Court. This my good people na the informate I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. No say now we be Anointed Lady TV, our hobby na to give on our legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come, na go first get the info and you go even receive them sharp. I dey come inside the game to another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.